Hadley. What is that? Who's that pretty baby?
That's you, Hadley. Tell the people a story. You smell pretty. Well, tell them. Tell them about your day, Hadley. Tell them. What'd you do today? What did you do today? Tell them. Don't be shy. They love you. All that happened in one day? All of that happened in just today? Wow. That's exciting. What else? What else, Hadley? You can tell me, it's okay. We're all friends here. Just tell everybody. What else happened? Oh, was it that bad you don't want to talk about it? Go ahead. You can tell us. Tell us. Go ahead, baby. You can tell me. What did they do? What happened? What happened? Tell me. Did they make you mad? Did somebody make you mad? Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah? Did you see anybody new today? Did you meet anybody? Really? That's crazy talk. That's crazy talk. I think she's fascinated with just looking at herself. She's like, look at me. I'm beautiful. You want to say bye to everybody? You say bye to everybody? Say bye. Wave. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.